not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from yesterday's and today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you PDF link of previous day video. Do download it, mentioned in the description below. Now let's start. Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Bill 2018 has been passed in which of the following house of the parliament? Only Rajya Sabha, only Lok Sabha, both A and B, or the bill lapsed? The answer is B, only Lok Sabha. Very important topic, Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Bill, also known as the Triple Talaq Bill, has been passed in Lok Sabha on December 27, 2018. Now you need to remember the date of the bill passed in Lok Sabha. This is the area where questions will be asked in State Public Service Commission and UPSC. Triple Talaq provisions are as follows. The pronouncement of Talaq is punishable offence with imprisonment of 3 years jail term along with the fine. The woman is entitled to the maintenance. The complaint would be given by wife or only by her close relatives. The bail will be granted by magistrate only after hearing the wife. So these are the provisions. Remember all these provisions important. Which district showed the most improvement among country's 111 underdeveloped areas? Nopada, Siddharth Nagar, Aurangabad, Virudnagar. The answer is D, Virudnagar. District showed the most improvement among country's 111 underdeveloped areas. Virudnagar of Tamil Nadu shines in development. The ranking of these districts measured across areas such as health and nutrition, education, agriculture and water resources, financial inclusion, skill development and basic infrastructure. Now for us, we need to remember the top 3 most improved districts along with the bottom 3 least improved districts. This is the area where questions can be asked in the exams. Virudnagar of Tamil Nadu topped the list, followed by the Nopada of Odisha and Siddharth Nagar of Uttar Pradesh. The bottom 3 least improved districts are Pakur of Jharkhand, Hailakandi of Assam and Chhatra of Jharkhand. So remember all these districts along with their places, very important. What is the conservation status of the river dolphins classified under IUCN Red List? Now this is an area where most of the people lose marks. You need to remember the classifications under IUCN Red List. The options are vulnerable, extinct, endangered or least concerned. The answer is C, endangered. The river dolphin is classified as endangered under IUCN Red List. National aquatic animal is Gangetic river dolphin, which mostly lives in fresh waters. A decrease in population of the dolphins is seen in Sundarbans of West Bengal due to rise in salinity in the waters. A dolphin is no longer sighted in central and eastern parts of Sundarbans. So remember the list under which dolphin comes, headquarters of IUCN and the main reason for the decline of population of dolphins. Who is the newly elected Prime Minister of Bhutan? Shering Tobgay, Shering Wangchuk, Lothe Shering or Sonam Tobgay? The answer is C, Lothe Shering is the newly elected Prime Minister of Bhutan. He is a noted politician and a famous doctor in Bhutan. He took his office on 7th of November 2018. He visits Delhi for the first time. Now the main aim for his arrival is to discuss the 12th 5-year plan of the Bhutan. Now India is providing 4,500 crore assistance for Bhutan's 12th 5-year plan. Earlier we have discussed about 720 megawatt Mangdachu hydel power project which is being set up in Bhutan with Indian collaboration. Bangladesh will see its 11th general election in which of the following day? December 30th, December 31st, December 29th, or Jan 1st? The answer is A. December 30th, Bangladesh will face its 11th general elections. Sheikh Hasina belongs to Bangladesh Awami League. The election symbol of Awami League is the boat, and the Kamal Hossain belongs to Jatiya Okya Front, which includes the Bangladesh National Party, the main opposition alliance. The election results are expected on December 31st. Earlier we have discussed about Khaleda Zia, who was the first woman Prime Minister of Bangladesh, recently arrested on corruption charges and imprisoned. She belongs to Bangladesh National Party. And Sheikh Hasina, who is the second woman Prime Minister of Bangladesh, ruled Bangladesh for 3 non-consecutive terms, and now she is seeking for a record of 4th term in the office. Who became the first person to complete a solo trek across Antarctica without assistance of any kind? Colin O'Brien, Colin O'Brady, Colin O'Brien, Colin O'Brook. The answer is B. Colin O'Brady. Colin O'Brady became the first person to complete a solo trek across Antarctica without any assistance. Now, this is the way the pattern of options asked in recent examinations. Questions are easy, but problem comes with the options. So, read entire names thoroughly. If not, you will lose the marks. Colin O'Brady, who is 33 years old, American adventurer, took 54 days and completed 1600 kilometers of solo journey across Antarctica without any assistance. The ambitious Gaganyaan mission will take how many Indian astronauts into the space? 2 astronauts, 3 astronauts, 4 astronauts, or 5 astronauts? The answer is B. 3 astronauts. The ambitious Gaganyaan mission of India is very important topic from science and technology. You need to know each and every point regarding this mission. Expected questions from this area. The Gaganyaan mission will carry 3 Indian astronauts for 7 days by the year 2022. The cost of the project is 10,000 crore, which was recently approved by the Union Cabinet. The launching vehicle would be GSLV Mark III. Now, GSLV Mark III is the heaviest satellite of the ISRO developed so far. The 2 unmanned flights plus 1 manned flight will be undertaken under this mission. You need to remember ISRO developed and successfully tested the crew escape system earlier. New provisions made to POXO Act of 2012 added which of the following amendment? Assault on girls punishable, assault on boys punishable, both A and B, or none? The answer is C, both A and B. Now, POXO Act of 2012 is very important. You need to remember the full form of the act along with the year which has been enacted. POXO Act is Protection of Children from Sexual Offence Act of 2012. Government approved amendments to this POXO Act to bring punishments for sexual assaults on boys on par with those against girls. Children of all ages under 12 when sexually assaulted punishable by death penalty. Now, children under the 16 years, the 20 years in jail will be awarded, and use of children for the porn, 3 to 5 years in jail. Now, this new bill has been introduced in Rajya Sabha. Government granted incentives for the export of which of the following commodity to 10% from current 5%? Sugar, rice, onion, jute. The answer is C, onion. The government granted incentives of 10% for the export of the commodity onion. As domestic prices of the onions decreased drastically, the supply of onions is more and the demand is less. Therefore, farmers are fetching only 2 to 3 rupees per kg for their produce. To stabilize the onion prices in the domestic markets, the government is encouraging onion farmers to export their produce by providing incentives. What is the state animal of Jammu and Kashmir? One-horned rhino, Asiatic lion, Hangul, black bug. The answer is C. Hangul is the state animal of Jammu and Kashmir. You need to know all the state animals and the state birds of all the states across the country. Very important from exam point of view. Now, Hangul is also known as the Kashmir stag. It was classified as critically endangered by International Union for Conservation of Nature. Now, it is the subspecies of the red deer found mainly in Dachigam National Park of Jammu and Kashmir. You need to remember all the important national parks across the country, and one among them is the Dachigam National Park in Jammu and Kashmir. Now, officials admit that the Hangul population has seen a decline mainly due to poaching, threats from insurgency and border conflict with India and Pakistan. Let's see the question for the day. Who was formally inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame on December 26, 2018? Andrew Simons, Steve Smith, Ricky Ponting or David Warner? Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for previous day question. RBI constitutes expert committee headed by which of the following person on economic capital framework? The answer is B. Bimal Jain. Now, Bimal Jain is the former 20th governor of the RBI who was in office from 1997 to 2003. A 6-membered expert group committee was constituted to review the economic capital framework of the RBI. Now, the committee will submit the report within 90 days from the date of its first meeting. Which is the first manned spacecraft to orbit around the moon? The answer is B. Apollo 8, as rightly answered by few people in the comment section: Maddy, Mallesh, Rohit Tripathi, Hari Lokesh and Tirupati. Thank you all guys for following my videos regularly. A very important topic from science and technology. Apollo 8 became the first manned spacecraft to leave the Earth orbits and reach the moon, orbit around it and return to the Earth. The launching date was 21st of November 1968. So recently on 21st of December 2018 it celebrated the 50th anniversary. The 3 astronaut crew, Frank Borman, James Lovell and William Anders, they became the first human beings to see the Earth from the space as an entire planet. The quote for the day is: never stop trying, never stop believing, never give up, because your day will come for sure. This is it for today. Have a happy weekend. See you on Monday. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.